Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your system cannot detect a second monitor, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing you need to check if your second monitor is supported by the system. That means if the hardware requirements and the software requirements match the system's requirements. For that you need to check the manufacturer's website, the manufacturer of the second monitor, and you need to check your system specifications. If both of them meet, then you need to figure out why they don't work, and for that you need to go to device manager, and in device manager you need to click on display adapters. Now some of us have display adapters. One is the built-in graphics card and one is the dedicated graphics card. So if you have a built-in graphics card and a dedicated graphics card, then you will just right click on it and you will click on disable device, not on the built-in graphics card but the dedicated graphics card. Now to find out which is the built-in graphics card, you obviously need to go to your um, browser and look for the. Now I have an Asus laptop E1504FA, so I will look for what is the built-in graphics card, and then I'll come to know that it is AMD Radeon. Okay, let me open it again. Right now they will tell me that I have a built-in graphics card, AMD Radeon graphics. So this is my built-in graphics card. Now the other graphics card would obviously be the dedicated graphics card. So just disable it and your second monitor should be detected. But how do you get it to detect? You right click on the the desktop, go to display settings, and then on multiple displays extend this button, and then make sure these two boxes are checked. All right, and then you can click on detect. Now I don't have another display, but if you click on detect, it will definitely work. If it doesn't work, then this should definitely work. You press the Windows plus the P button and then you click on extend, and that should work. If this video helped you, kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.